Hi, my name is Tina, I'm head of design of Victoria Designs, and if you're watching this video, it means we're launching something very special, a new project pack. What exactly is a Victoria Designs project pack, you ask? Good question. Well, as you know, we create printable crafting graphics, paperbacks, labels, tags, junk journal kits and other goodies that you can use in your paper crafting. And we currently have more than 1,500 different designs. Quite a selection, but also a bit overwhelming perhaps. Since we care a lot about what you need and how we can help you, we asked you what are the biggest roadblocks for you to make the most amazing paper crafting projects. You know, what holds you back, what annoys you, and even what stops you from being creative. And you answered loud and clear: inspiration. What exactly to make, how to combine, and how do you choose the designs that fit together? And that's why we've created our project packs. A Victoria Designs project pack is a complete collection with all the printables that you need to finish a very beautiful, detailed crafting project. Every single page you need is in there, with a whole range of options to choose from to truly make it yours. We even add templates so that you can easily include other designs that you love. We also provide some detailed and easy to follow video tutorials so that you will have no doubts about how to proceed. Does that sound good to you? Let's go see what our newest project pack is all about. In this video I'm going to show you our brand new Christmas project pack. This printable pack can be used to make lots of Christmassy crafting projects. The pack contains more than 120 sheets and then double that for variety sheets and then add another 120 inksaver and template sheets. The highlight of this project pack is not one but two types of journals, a regular journal and an envelope journal. The envelope journal can, for example, hold letters to your future self, to your past self, or simply to a friend. In this video I will show you exactly which printables you will receive when you purchase this project pack and a few examples what you can make with them. The tutorials for this project pack will come in a separate video. I will put a link below where you can find it. This Christmas project pack is for sale right now in our shop. I will put a link below where you can discover the whole pack. And now let me show you those printables. So, an important part of this project pack is this table of contents that I made, and this navigates you through every item that is in the pack and also where you can find it. Every sheet has a number and there are also three types of printables. So we have the full prints, they start with F, those numbers are here. There are also templates, so just outlines that you can print on colored paper that you already have. These numbers start with the letter T and you can see which of the items have coordinating templates. And then last but not least, we also have ink savers. They start with an I. So these don't have a colored background. This one I printed on ivory colored paper. This one still has some texture, some paper texture on the background, but I also included pages without any texture on the background, so I've called them clean. And so in this table of contents you can find everything. So for example, this journal page has two types of ink savers. A, this is the clean one without the texture background, and B, this has still the paper textured background, give you an illusion of vintage paper. So if you don't know where to find everything, this table of contents will guide the way. And now let me show you what's in this project pack. Yes, I've printed out a portion. Yes, this is a portion. I know, this is a portion. This pack is so huge. I will show these printed out so you can see the quality, and I will show you on the screen some more varieties, inksaver versions and template versions. The central piece in this Christmas project pack is a journal and they come in three sizes. So I have covers, etc. for all three sizes. So the three sizes in this journal are the 875 inch high journal, a 725 inch high, it's a bit smaller, and a very cute 5 inch high journal. This is one of the outside covers for the 875 journal. There are 5 different designs, so 4 other than this one, and there's also a template. Of course, if you have an outside cover, you also need an inside cover, and this is one of the inside covers for the 875 inch journal. Of course, you need to print this twice. You need to print this one twice also. This is one of the covers for the 725 journal. You also need to print these twice. This is the one that I'm going to use in the tutorials. For the inside, luckily, these fit 2 on 1 page. This is one example, and the templates with the right measurements also. This is a journal cover for the cute 5-inch height journal. Of course, they go like this. And because it's small, I could fit 2 on one page. You only need to print 1. And these are the inside covers, also 5 varieties. And now we come to the journal pages. Let me turn that around for you so you can see. There are 24 double pages in this pack, and these come in 3 sizes again. Completely full size, a full 8.5 by 11 inch sheets, and they fit into the 8.75 inch journal. These are for the 7.25 journal, and they also come smaller for the small journal. Some customers like the journal pages already embellished to the fullest, and some like them very, very bare, so they can add their own stuff. And I've tried to think of everyone, because this is a fully embellished one. Of course, you can add some more things, but there's already a lot of embellishments here. But I also made this one a bit barer, so without this text, without these Christmas ornaments. And I also made this one a bit barer, you see, with fewer embellishments, and also this one without any embellishments. So there's 4 varieties of each page, and you can mix and match them completely. And let me show you here. This is the normal one. This is the Inksaver one. This is prints on the whole page, but of course the color is different because my background color is ivory here. But as you can see, these details, these little details, are still printed on here. So you can see the difference, what it makes. This can save you a lot of ink and money. Let me show you the next one. So this is the next fully embellished journal page. A bit less embellished, even more less, and bare. And then we have another fully embellished one. Another a bit less. Is that a word? less. Okay. And the bare vintage paper. And here we have another one, fully embellished. A bit less, but with some journal spots here. Even less. Oh, by the way, I printed all these on the normal quality settings. I didn't even put my quality settings to high. Just saying, highest settings will bring out a little bit more detail, but look at this. This is beautiful. And this one. And then we have another one, fully embellished, a bit less, even less. Okay. And nothing. And then the last one. By the way, most of the embellishments are also in the embellishments section of this pack. You can add them yourself as you wish. I know this is a Christmas project pack, but as you see, a page like this you can easily use for other non-Christmas projects as well. I kept that in mind making this. It's Christmassy enough, but not totally Christmas. Oh, I like this so much. So these were the 24 journal pages. And by the way, to remind you, these are also in full sheet paper. So this one you can use as a background. This is one of the envelopes for the envelope book. And if you want to use this one, but you don't want your envelope to be white on the inside, just print this one on the back. With this pack, you can also make a envelope journal. So instead of pages on the inside, there are envelopes on the inside. And in these envelopes, you can put letters or cards or photos, and you can make this for yourself and write letters to yourself. It's very therapeutic, by the way. Or you can make one of these envelope book journals, and you can give it as a gift and put letters to that person in these envelopes. That would be so great. And these come also in 3 different sizes, because the covers for the journals are also the same covers for the envelope books, and you can choose the size that you would like to make. And these are the ones for the 5-inch cute cover sizes, so it's very small, and there are 6 different envelopes with 6 different designs. In the pack is also a outline template. If you want to use other kind of paper, just print on it and cut along the line. And also in 2 types of Inksaver. So an Inksaver where the texture still comes through, and an Inksaver with no texture on the back at all, only the design elements. So this is the first one. The second one. Another one. Another one. This is the 5th one, I think. And this is the 6th one. Yeah, this is the last one. And for in the envelopes, I have a bunch of writing papers. So you get these in full size, a bit smaller so it can fit in the envelopes of the 875-inch journal. And these ones fit in the 5-inch and 725-inch journals envelopes. These fit in these envelopes. And they come with Dear Future Me and Dear Past Me. So you can write letters to your future self or your past self. It's very therapeutic. I recommend it to all. You also get the templates of these sizes, and they also come as ink savers. And they come in a few different varieties. I think with 3 different vintage backgrounds, like this one, and with or without the lines. And now we have a bunch of embellishments, and since there are embellishments, I didn't make templates or ink saver versions of these. There are 20 pages of embellishments, all sorts of embellishments, some Christmas related, some are not. And these are all word labels. These are the same word labels but smaller. I like the black, but I made it a bit more grey so you won't use as much black ink. I did that on purpose. Yeah, I'm just going to flip through them so you can see what embellishments are included here. Some labels, some papers, some images, some washies, some pockets with tabs, some more pockets, and you see some elements from the journal pages come back here also. Yeah, there's a lot. Some express parcel delivery labels. You can use these as gift labels also. The same words from the beginning, but in a type of burgundy red. Some more images. These are a lot of the embellishments from the previous pages, but smaller. So you can put them in very small craft projects. See? And then there's also a moving Christmas card. It's a Christmas card, and when you pull out one of the cards, another one will appear from the other side as well. So these are the cards inside, and this will be the outer cover, and this will be on the inside. I of course show you how to make these in the tutorials, don't worry at all. These come in 4 different designs, also as ink savers with and without the textures, and also the templates if you would like to use some other scrapbook paper that you already have. And a card can be placed in an envelope, and of course this one's going to be thicker, so I made box envelopes. There are 4 designs of box envelopes according to the designs of the 4 moving card designs, with or without the extra embellishment, so you can embellish it further if you like yourself. And there are also ink saver versions and the templates. It's Christmas, so I included an advent calendar, and these are 5 of the pockets to put in there. And I also made these in 2 smaller sizes so they can fit in the 2 largest journals. And for that I also added background sheets with placeholders where to put them. These are the largest pockets. I also included for all sizes the templates and the ink saver versions. There are also 16 full sheet papers. Some only have a pattern, so a full sheet version of this pattern or some of the other cover patterns. But I also made some other designs like this one and this one, just to let you see a few. And because it's the end of the year, I also made a list of 30 end of the year self-reflection journaling prompts. This is the full sheet one. I also made some smaller ones if you want to tuck it into a journal. And these ones also come as an ink saver. I also included some simple tags and the same one without the embellishments on, so you can embellish them yourself. And these tags can be put in a tag holder. This is this one with a back on the back. These embellished tags also come as an ink saver, and there's a template also, and the same for this tag holder. And then last but not least, I also included 4 designs of tags that you can fold in half and with some extra embellishments. So this is it. As you could see, this is just a portion of what is in this pack. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you to just start crafting right away. I'm also very curious how you would use these principles, so if you have any ideas, please share in the comments. You're super welcome to discover this Christmas project pack in our shop, and I further wish you a marvelous day. Bye.